example 1c. So when we look at our formula here, it is equal to 1, so it's in our standard form, but this time we have numbers added to x and y. The x is listed second, so make sure that you notice that when you're looking for the center. The center is going to be -3, -4. Let's go ahead and plot that. So go back 3, down 4. Right there. There's my center. Alright, a squared is first, b squared is second. Since a squared is 4, a is going to equal 2. It's under the y value. Y's go up and down, so I know my hyperbola will open up and down. So I'm going to go up 2 and down 2 from my center, and those are my vertices. So my vertice is going to be at, just look at the graph to figure out where they are. -3, -2 is the one on top, and then -3, -6 is the one below the center. Alright, b squared is 9, so b is going to equal 3. Now I'm going to move left and right 3 spots, and again, this is just to help me make that rectangle to find the asymptotes. So let's go ahead and just make that rectangle right now. Alright, now I need to know what c is. I'm going to use my a squared plus b squared equals c squared formula to find this. 4 plus 9 is c squared. 13 is c squared. Remember, these really aren't going to be that nice. Take the square root of both sides, so c is radical 13. So c is the square root of 13. Since I want to find out where my foci are, that is about 3.6. So remember, the hyperbola is going to be opening up and down, so I need to go up and down 3.6 from the center. So that puts me about right there and off the graph. That's okay. So those are my foci. Now, before I can go ahead and graph my hyperbola, I need my asymptotes. So again, the asymptotes go from the center to the corners of the rectangle. And there we go. I need the slope of those asymptotes. So remember, slope is always rise over run. From the center, I went up 2 and over 3. So the slope of one of the lines is 2/3. Oops, that looks weird. And the slope of the other line is -2/3. Alright, now I just need to graph. We knew that this was going to open up and down because the y was first. Go to the vertice, the vertex, and then just get really close to those asymptotes. And we're done.